Let's pick a winner for the day 1 of the 12 Days of Catmas giveaway. This is for the LuckyFerals t-shirt. And I'm here on random.org. I am on their list randomizer. I've entered everyone who entered the giveaway into a list here. Here are all of the people who entered the giveaway. It was more than 150 people. So here's everyone's name. And what I am going to do is I am going to randomize this list. When I randomize this list, the person on top of the list is the lucky random winner of the LuckyFerals t-shirt, which is day 1 of the 12 Days of Catmas. And here we go. You guys ready? This is so exciting. And the winner is Joshua Olive. Congratulations, Joshua Olive. You are the lucky random winner of day 1 of the 12 Days of Catmas. You have won a brand new LuckyFerals t-shirt. I'd like to thank everyone who entered the giveaway, and make sure you check out the other giveaways planned between now and Christmas. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.